Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a super versatile kitchen appliance that can seriously upgrade your cooking game, the Toshiba AC25CW BS Large 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven. If you want something that can toast, bake, roast, and even cook rotisserie chicken without taking up too much space, this one might be exactly what you're looking for. First, let's talk about power and performance. This toaster oven runs on a powerful 1500 watt heating system, which means it heats up quickly and cooks food evenly. Thanks to the built-in convection fan, hot air circulates around your food to create crispy textures and consistent cooking results. That means better pizza crust, perfectly toasted bread, and evenly baked cookies. Now let's look at capacity. Even though this is a countertop appliance, it's surprisingly spacious. The oven has about 25 liters of capacity, which means it can easily fit 6 slices of bread, an 11-inch pizza, casseroles, or even a whole 4-pound chicken. So if you're cooking for family or preparing multiple servings, this oven handles it easily. One of the biggest highlights of this oven is its 10-in-1 cooking functions. Instead of buying multiple appliances, you get everything in one device. You can use it for toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, convection cooking. So whether you're reheating leftovers, baking desserts, or roasting chicken, this oven can handle it all. Another great feature is the adjustable temperature control. The temperature range goes from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers almost every cooking style you might need, from slow warming to high heat roasting. Now let's talk about ease of use. The oven comes with 3 simple control knobs and a high contrast display, making it easy to set the timer, temperature, and cooking mode. No complicated menus, just quick and simple cooking. And Toshiba also includes 6 useful accessories right in the box. You get a baking rack, baking pan, crumb tray, rotisserie kit with lifter, and a rack clamp. These accessories make it possible to cook many different types of food immediately after unboxing. Pause for a second. If you enjoy honest appliance reviews like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. Finally, let's talk about design. The black stainless steel finish gives it a modern kitchen look, and its compact size means it fits easily on most countertops while still offering plenty of cooking space. So overall, the Toshiba AC25CW